Thanks God they wanna do it right there on the spot.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Ew.
Wow. Glue gun, right?
Ew.
What
Punch.
Bang.
Superhero
Wow,
punch.
It's a rocket bubble. Chow.
Okay. So we're WD-40ing. We're lubing up this wall. What are we gonna surprise it with? What are we gonna fill it with after we lube it up?
With the foam.
Okay.
Oh, to get a shape again.
Yeah, we're gonna get a shape. Okay, Vaseline. All right, lube it up even more. Okay, Gibson. Cover it with a nice saucy white juice liquid. Sackcloth. That's
excuse me. What is the cloth?
Sackcloth. All right, so let's let it dry. All right.
Okay, I like how they use different technique to get a mold of the.
That's
shape.
true. Yeah,
that's
yeah.
Nice.
Guys, let us know the techniques that you use to fill holes. How do you fill holes?
Yeah.
What's your main go-to when you're thinking, I need to fill this hole? How do I do it?
Yeah.
All right, so we have this inside part. What are we going to fill it with?
I don't know. I hope epoxy. I love the epoxy thing when you do installation and everything.
You think really
with the colors?
I think epoxy it's kind of kitschy,
Kitschy?
Yeah, like when I see someone has epoxy coasters, I'm like, they're like, we made this ourselves in art class,
But come on, there is a lot of stuff out of epoxy resin.
You bet it will be awesome.
Yeah.
I bet it's going to be okay. Just okay.
We'll see in a moment.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think, guys? I think they think that it could be awesome.
I think they think it's going to be awesome as well. It kind of looks like... It looks cool. I mean, it does look kind of
like
okay.
An ice,
Yeah.
Ice.
Paint.
What is this for?
Oh, yeah. Oh, for the background.
Yeah,
nice.
Yeah, nice. To show that it's deep.
Yes. Under the sea, under the sea. Can't sing any more of that song because copyright issues. Nice. Okay, well, they didn't do the outside of it very nice. They just kind of cemented it in.
To be honest, I expect it will be better, but it's not bad.
Let's fill it up. 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 Come on. It up now. Fill it up. So he's cleaning it out first. Before you can fill it up, you gotta clean it out. Okay, because it's got a bunch of grody stuff in it. And it's not gonna be good.
That's not gonna be.
It's gonna be bad.
Oh, the vacuum.
Ooh, that's a fancy looking vacuum. He came prepared. My man was just like,
It's like a futuristic one.
I'm ready for anything. My backpack, he has everything, all the answers in there. If he sees world hunger, he's just like, he's got it. He's got it sorted out, man. He's got provisions. All right, so we have
the film.
All right, some nice film to put around. I guess we're making what are we doing? Making a mold?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, we're popping that baby in, popping that bad boy in. Just some Gibson, some Gibson Les Paul, just some nice little water, mixing it all together. Why does he have a drill? How does this man have everything possible? It just seems like this might be staged. I don't know. Maybe it is.
Maybe. But
guys, let us know. Is this staged?
So, do you have a cement in your bag?
I have cement in my bag always because you never know when you're gonna need to use cement. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
sure. The same thing.
Exactly.
I have 2 packets.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So we're making some mold of the thing.
Oh, they're gonna make it a mold and maybe somehow to put some stuff in it and.
But they could just put the normal mold in it or just cement, I guess.
Wait a second.
What was the point of doing it twice?
Yes.
You took it back home to pour the same amount of cement in it.
Waste of things.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't get it. But yeah, I mean, to each their own. If this guy's taking the time out of his day. He's taking the time out of his day to solve a crisis
for
the community. So we should just really give him a leeway. Okay.
But what is the reason, really? Why he couldn't fill it in with the cement and leave it there?
Guys, let us know. Is there a reason for that? Maybe it's because it wouldn't fill the cracks properly or something. I don't know.
Maybe you need some time to dry it off.
Could be.
At some garage, not on the street.
It's true. It's true. Maybe
to make it better, stronger.
We don't know things, guys. Let us know if you know things.
Exactly.
Or if you don't know stuff, let us know that we don't know things when you also don't know. That would be really helpful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
So, some drawing part. What are gonna be? What are gonna be?
What are we gonna do here? It looks like teardrops. Looks like teardrops. They've been to prison. They've seen stuff. You know.
Oh, it's like teeth.
Oh, it's teeth. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It's a crater animal. It looks like it's like that pit from Star Wars. You know, where they go on the meteoroid and they're like, I think we're safe in here, and then they're like, no, we're inside a worm, and they fly out.
Oh boy,
that's that one.
That's most probably. But you need to avoid such a thing, right?
You should probably avoid something.
What's the point
like
then to cover the hole on the street?
Maybe he's worried about it cracking again, so he's like, don't step here. Oh, huge. Big is subjective though, so
yes.
My ex told me that. So anyway, so we have this pothole. What are we gonna do to fill it?
Okay. So
melting. We're gonna melt more stuff.
Oh, is it? Oh, ooh. It's a winter outside.
Oh, it's ice filling it.
It's ice, yeah.
Whoa.
First.
That's a problem.
I mean, is it the?
Wow, big hole. That is a big hole subjectively, yeah.
But is it okay to fix some holes in the winter time? Usually, I have never saw them people fix road, in the winter.
Yeah.
Did you? I mean,
I think you shouldn't fix in the winter because
and everything.
Usually they don't because it's more likely to rain, and if it rains on it, it's gonna like unsettle the thing before it's dried up properly. So I think that's the reason why. If I'm wrong, let me know. You will let me know, as you always do. Thank you for your constructive feedback.
I like it.
I like it. Okay, we have pickaxe.
What? They want to fill it in the hole with the brakes.
It looks kind of cute. I don't know. It could be interesting. It looks like it might be uneven. You know.
I think it's wrong.
It's wrong.
It's wrong. I mean,
all right. Shit. Is anything right with you?
No, because it's wrong.
Okay.
You can't fix, the road using brakes.
You're like Lord Business in the Lego movie. He's like, you can't fix everything with Legos. I'm an adult. Taxes. Jeez.
Actually, it would be nice to fix it with a Lego.
Yeah, it would be very fun to fix it with Lego. We should do it. We should fill a pothole with Lego.
Jumpy jump.
Piblaze.
What? No, nothing.
That's how you pronounce Piblaze.
Oh, of course. Piblaze.
All right, so we're filling it in with some stones. It looks like it's still gonna be like not that even. I'm worried about. It's like some car's gonna go over it and just like.
Of course, it's better than it was before. Is it?
Come on, man! Come on!
It's what I said. It's wrong,
bruh. That looks so no.
I mean, it's better than the hole.
I don't even think it's better than the hole.
But
you're behind it. Whoa! Oops!
Oops! In our hole.
Another hole. Another day. Another problem. Another solution. Okay.
We'll see.
Maybe let's see if this guy is as prepared. Is it the same guy?
Yeah. I don't know.
He's like the lamest superhero ever. He just solves potholes in his neighborhood.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
Pretty cool anyway.
So the same technique.
Yeah.
Again.
Whoa! Okay, flaming it up. Flame on. Okay.
What is that? Okay.
Get some glue sticks. Yeah. Just glue that baby in. We're gonna melt it in. I have no idea actually why you would even do that.
Oh, to get a shape or what?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. But thanks God they wanna do it right there on the spot.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Ew. Oh,
a
wow.
lot of glue gun, right?
Ew. It looks
glue
icky.
sticks, yeah.
I kind of want to put it in my mouth.
Yeah,
it looks kind of looks like it would taste like honey or something.
Like honey.
Guys, honey, right? Am I right? I'm right. Okay, so we have some sand.
Sand for what?
It looks like they're gonna make a mold with it again. I don't know how. Actually.
Oh boy! Oh, you made a mold out of glue gun sticks, which is incredibly cool.
That is incredibly cool.
Yeah.
On the list of things that are incredibly cool, it's probably number 5. Okay, so it looks like a mountain now. I kind of want to make just like cancel the whole project, make a volcano. You know?
Wow, that's actually a nice idea.
Yeah, I think
Why
we should
not?
do it.
It's actually the shape and everything. But I think they're gonna fill it in.
He's gonna fill it in. He's gonna be a good Samaritan.
Yeah.
He's a good person.
But the question is, from what? I mean, they're gonna fill it in now this mold with gypsum or something else. I don't know. What do you think?
It would be hard to fit a guitar in there, so I don't know. So we have just cement, I guess. And then what are we gonna do with that cement? I feel like we need to. That's just boring if we're doing normal things. We have to mix it up a little bit. Ugh.
It actually looks tasty.
It looks like a cake, right? Yeah.
Now I got
It's
it.
not
What
just
you
me. You totally get it now. Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
now I get it.
it took time, but we made it.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Looks pretty good. But now we just have to judge his art.
Yes. It should be.
It's a little contemporary, honestly.
You think so?
Yes, I wouldn't have used that
Sure.
color on that. No.
Yeah, it's it's reflect our reality now. You know, for this thing. Yeah.
It's slightly derivative of composium. You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure. Of course.
It looks cool though. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah.
Okay.